WarriorPlus affiliate marketing tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with affiliate marketing on WarriorPlus. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people talk about affiliate marketing, but you need to find a good product to be able to successfully achieve your desired results. And WarriorPlus can help you in finding those particular types of products. And it's super easy to get started. Plus, you don't have, a really high bar on, promoting the product. So you can easily find suitable product according to you. They have multiple different niches as well. Now, let's get into signing up for WarriorPlus. The first thing you're going to do is head on over to WarriorPlus.com and click on free sign up on the top right. Once you click on free sign up, you're going to continue by creating a username, password, and email address. So you're just going to choose a suitable username and password and enter your email. I already have created an account previously, so we're just going to continue on to that particular account. If you want, you can build a new one if you don't have one already. So once you have created your account, this is going to be what your dashboard is going to look like. So on the top right, you have your account where you can see your purchase history, your WarriorPlus wallet, as well as your favorites. Then on the top left, you have your marketplace, vendor, and affiliate. So a vendor is when you are looking to promote your own product. However, affiliate is when you're looking to promote other people's products and get a commission off of that. So that is our primary purpose over here on WarriorPlus. So to be able to find some amazing product, we are going to go into the marketplace section on the top left, and you have multiple different sections. So you have deals of the day, alerts, categories, top products, and the home section. So if you just click on the marketplace home, you will see some of the top sellers in the particular day, or you can go for yesterday, the past 7 days, or the last 30 days. So let's say these are the top sellers, and if I scroll down over here, I can actually search for particular keywords. And why should you actually search for a keyword? A lot of people don't realize that it's pertinent that you look for a product that you can actually promote, because if you're trying to promote like a tech product and you know nothing about tech, it's going to be more difficult for you to promote that affiliate. It's fine if you have some general info about it, but if you know nothing about a particular type of affiliate, then it can be super difficult to promote that. So make sure to just find a few keywords that are related to what you can promote. Now let's say we have AI Games Pro. This looks interesting, so I'm just going to click on this particular affiliate. And once I click on this, I can actually see the type of affiliate this is. You can scroll down. You have multiple different games in this, and there's a lot of info on this. And you guys can see there are discounts on it as well. It's a pretty big affiliate. So I'm going to go back into WarriorPlus, and what we're going to do is going to go into categories over here. And let's say I want to go into marketing education, and let's say I want to promote this product over here. I can open this up to check it out. And once you take a look at a product, you need to make sure it's suitable. That's why it's very essential you make sure to look at the product beforehand. You guys can see it's $17. It's not that expensive, and it's pretty nice. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back into the affiliate offers that we want, and we can search for this type of affiliate over here. So I can just search for Zeus over here, and I'm just making sure that it's the same affiliate that I saw in the affiliate marketplace. Now, as you guys can see, this is the info about the affiliate, which you're going to get in your affiliate marketplace. So there's a basic overview, the contest, the start date and the end date. Then you have a funnel map that is suggested to you, and then there are some other additional products or related products to this particular affiliate. Now, to be able to get access to a affiliate, some affiliates are free access, so anyone can start promoting them. However, for some affiliates, you do have to ask for approval. So for this, you're going to click on request approval over here, and you're going to click on request offer, and just like that, this will be sent to you, and you will be notified in your email as well once your offer is accepted. Now you can go into the offer section again in your affiliate, And you guys can see there are a bunch of different affiliates. Most of them currently are request based, so you do have to request for them. Then you have a refund rate. Now, always look at the refund rate of a particular affiliate, simply because if they have a high refund rate, it's very likely you're not going to get a commission. Then you have your average sales as well as conversion rates. The higher the conversion rate, the better. Then you also have your sales as well as their release date. Now, you always want to look for high converting items. So 31% conversion, this is pretty great. This is AI video tails. Let's open this up and take a look. So create unlimited YouTube videos with AI. And this looks like a really nice software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on request approval. And I'm going to request approval, and you can click on view sales page to just see what the affiliate is like, to see more info about the affiliate as well. So what your customers or the people you're promoting to will be seeing. So as you guys can see, this is the affiliate page. It's pretty nice. And it's, AI based, so this is new tech. That's why it has a pretty high conversion rate. Now, InkBuddy AI, this is another tool, and this has a 93% conversion rate, a 0% refund rate. Then let's take a look at the overall orders. So there have been over 250 orders. It was only released yesterday, so for one day, this is amazing performance, and we can easily capitalize or monetize these kinds of tools, especially taking a look at the newer tools, the newer affiliates. You're going to have a better chance of promoting something successful. Now, keep in mind your picks on affiliate really matter, and that is why I recommend using WarriorPlus to find affiliates, because when you find an affiliate that is very randomized, you're not going to be able to monetize that easily. However, with this type of platform where you have a marketplace of affiliates you can promote, and you can take, the specific one that you want, what this is going to do is that this is going to help you in choosing a winning product, and then promoting it very aggressively can help you in building a very, very high conversion rate. Now, if you like a certain affiliate, you can favorite it, and you would find it in your top right in your favorites or alerts. Then you have a purchase history of anything that you might have purchased, and then a WarriorPlus wallet. So every time someone clicks on your affiliates and buys via your affiliate, you have it present in your WarriorPlus wallet. You will see your balance. Then you can click on withdraw on the top left, and you can withdraw your funds. Obviously, you do have to fill out some tax information. So I'm not a US citizen or a US person over here. Then once you have completed that, you can click on view pending funds, and you can, set up your account, set up your particular payment information, how you want to be paid on WarriorPlus, and then you can get started with receiving your affiliate commissions. Now, other than that, you even have a launch calendar on WarriorPlus. So if you click on the launch calendar over here, it's going to show you some of the upcoming affiliates that are coming. Obviously, when you have a new affiliate, it's going to be easier to promote because there's not a lot of people already buzzing about it, and you can be the one that is starting the basic launch of that product, and that can be a really helpful tool in promoting your affiliate product. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with affiliate marketing on WarriorPlus. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, queries, or any thoughts, make sure to leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video.